fellow collectors, and welcome to Long's Toys. Today we are taking a look at the DX Shield and Arrow Raise Buckle set from Kamen Rider Geats. So we just have a 2-pack of tiny buckles here. We got Shield, we got Arrow, we got Geats and Tycoon sporting them up here on the top of the packaging. Got the names over here on this side, just got a picture of them over here, kind of random warnings and stuff on the bottom. And then on the back, just showing you how they work with the Desire Driver. Of course, we'll take a look at that in this video. So, pretty standard packaging. I'm going to go ahead, get them out of the box, and we'll take a closer look. Alright, so here are our two new Raise buckles out of the packaging. We'll start over here with Shield. Have kind of a dark blue and black color scheme. You just push the shield on the front down to activate. Here is the QR code. You can see it is number 6. So that one's alright. I like Arrow a little better. I just really like the bright kind of fluorescent green and black color scheme. I think that's really cool. And I like how you kind of draw the bow back to activate it. I think that's pretty fun. And let's see, where's the QR code? Up here. And then this is number 7. So, pretty cool. Let's go ahead and bring in the Desire Driver so we can get to some sounds. Alright, let's start with Shield. So that's pretty cool. I thought it would be when you pull it back that it activates, but it's actually when you let go that it activates. So that's pretty cool. I like the sound effects for that one a lot. You can kind of hear like an arrow hitting into the wood or something like that. I think that's really cool. So for the sake of time, I'm not going to go through every single buckle so far with each of these. I just feel like that would take a really long time. I will definitely do them both with Boost, and then I'll do a couple other random ones here and there. So let's go ahead. We'll start here with Arrow. Next up, we'll try him in the Magnum Shooter 40X. I think this is another great set. Very happy to continue to build the Rise Buckle collection. I feel like it's growing pretty quickly at this point, but I definitely can't wait to get some more. Out of the two, if I had to pick a favorite, I would say Arrow is probably more exciting to me than Shield. Nothing against Shield, I just think the color scheme for Arrow is a little bit more fun. I love the mechanism of drawing the bow back and then letting the arrow fly to activate. The sound effects are great with the arrow kind of hitting the target and wobbling sound. I think that's really fun. Again, not to put Shield down, I just think Arrow's, personally, out of the two, my favorite. But it's still great to add both of these to the collection. I mean, I think this was like $10 before shipping for the 2-pack, so keeping the price point down, these are very affordable and pretty easy to collect. Definitely recommend adding this pack to your collection. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, thanks so much for watching.